Hello friends, I'm Prakash Reddy, founder of Learn Easy Fast. In the next few minutes, you're going to learn how to improve your handwriting and write fast. First, you need to understand that why some students' handwriting is very bad. These are 3 steps. First one is letter formations are not correct. Number 2, spacing between letters and words. Number 3, spelling mistakes. I have seen a lot of students, they make spelling mistakes and they have a very bad handwriting. And good handwriting is important for scoring good marks and to have confidence. This is the first tip for you. Hold your pen properly. To hold pen properly, tripod pressure is recommended. Tripod means hold your pen with thumb and index and balance on the middle finger 2 centimeters from the point. Use pencils, grippers will help you to keep a good hold on the pencil. This is the second one. Develop good writing posture. First, find a writing table which is elbow level. Sit in your chair with both feet flat on the ground. Position the page at an angle of 45 degrees towards your dominant hand. Now, third one. Proper spacing is important. The space between your words and letters helps determine the quality of your handwriting. If your space is more or less right, then that can result to poor handwriting. Learn to write individual letters. Practice lowercase letters and uppercase letters. Write each letter at least 10 times in capital and 10 times in lowercase across a lined page as shown in the example. This will help a lot for you. Friends, now fifth one. The angle at which you write your letters are important. Your handwriting will enhance if you maintain proper angle. Your handwriting perpendicular to the lines. A slight slant to right is okay, but too much of slant looks bad. Left slant is not recommended. It is be somewhat negative. More exercises to improve handwriting. You can apply these techniques. You can exercise your hand with these simple techniques here. First one, take old newspaper and separate into sheets. Crumble each sheet individually using only one hand. Even you can use old notes papers to crumble with writing hand. Get some molding clay, break into small pieces of the same size with your writing hand. Using your thumb, index and middle fingers, roll each piece of clay into a small ball. And last one, play with tennis ball. Squeeze the tennis ball and play with the tennis ball. This will exercise a lot. Practice drawing basic shapes like squares and circles. Practice the alphabet until you master each letter. Also practice continuous loops and continuous letter M in your rule book. You can see the right side corner as shown some picture. Those you can practice. 8th one. The result of poor handwriting is irregularity and inconsistency between letters and shapes. If you observe, letters are made up out of straight lines and circles or semicircles. So put in some time drawing these. Draw parallel lines, vertical lines and diagonal lines, okay, with pen or pencil. This is an example of some parallel lines and some perpendicular lines, some squares, and it is by P.R. Spencer Calligraphy. You also find this one online, and one of the best one to practice these parallel lines. It will really help a lot for you to control your arm and hands. Use pencil or ink pen initially to practice. It will help a lot for you if you want to have a proper strokes. It will train you for the proper strokes, but not for writing faster, but to learn the strokes here. That's what you can do. And let's go for next one. Handwriting is a skill anybody can improve. The important thing is to practice. You will agree that a child cannot learn to ride a bicycle just reading a guide. Similarly, we cannot learn writing neatly by reading. So the best option is practice, practice, practice. Practice is the mother of skill. There's a bonus tip for you. Use short paragraphs and short sentences. It looks neat on the exam paper or notes. Many world-leading magazines like Reader's Digest and newspapers use same technique. Easy to understand, helps a lot in learning long answers easily. Some researchers conducted an experiment in Europe. They gave cigarette boxes had this message: cigarettes kill you. The other half of the cigarette boxes had message like this: cigarettes smoking may be injurious to your health. The next day, the researchers asked the students, what did you read on the cigarette box? This was the result. 87% of the students in the first group remembered the message, and only 8% in the second group remembered the message. It proves simple short sentences and simple words are easy to remember and understand. It's very effective and very powerful. Friends, I have some good news for you. In the coming year, I'm going to put some really exciting videos. Okay, that is a gift for you, and I want you to just subscribe for this my channel. And good luck and happy new year.